Hey, what's going on, guys? Lake here, Lake the Stock Bull. What a crazy time it is to be alive. We got Brexit talks, we got uncertainty in China with their global dominance, and we don't know what the heck's going to go on with Georgia, with our Congress, and the future for our democracy. Crazy times to be alive right now. And I'm going to show you in this video how to turn all this craziness, all this uncertainty into a massive check from your broker. So stick around, let this intro play out. Let's get right into the stock picks. All right, so the first stock that I got for you today is going to be Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker symbol BBBY. Now, at first glance, this stock does not look like a huge opportunity. This stock has been along for a long time. They're not the most exciting company, not the most exciting business plan, and they pretty much just sell towels and pots and pans and baby products for people in the U.S. And I'm going to get in just a second why I think Bed Bath & Beyond is an incredible opportunity. A lot of room to make a whole lot of money. I just ask you to leave that subscribe right before and then stick to all the way to the end of this video because I got a lot of great stuff coming up in the next couple of minutes. All right, so the first reason that I like Bed Bath & Beyond in the very short term for a quick swing trade is because they have their earnings coming up on January the 7th. That is Thursday this week, and I think they're going to absolutely blow them out of the water. So my thesis behind this is because people have been staying home. We have been in a pandemic for a very long time, and people are funneling money into doing things like redoing their house, redoing their bathrooms, redoing rooms in their home, as well as upgrading certain aspects of their home, getting new bath towels, getting a new countertop, pots and pans, things like this. So some evidence for this is we examined some Google Trends in the last year, and we see that in the last couple of months, keywords like candles, keywords like bedding, and then finally Bed Bath & Beyond. These terms are up massively. A lot of people are searching for these terms, which means that a lot of people are buying these items just in time for the holiday season, getting Christmas gifts for themselves, for their family members, and they're shopping at Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond recently had a new management team with people that worked at places like Amazon, Tesla, Walmart, some great companies, and they're making that transition from having a old, antiquated, in-person business plan to the modern, the revolutionary e-commerce platform. They're moving from retail to online sales, and they're moving in the right direction, which is why I think that they're going to absolutely blow these earnings out of the water, and the stock price is going to massively rally. People are going to be buying this stock, and there's a little secret that I'm about to share with you about Bed Bath & Beyond stock, which was why I think this is an even better opportunity than the reasons that I just mentioned. So if we examine the short float for Bed Bath & Beyond, we see that Bed Bath & Beyond is a short float of 61%, which is it's a monstrous number. What does this mean for us as investors that are betting that it is going to go up? Well, if the stock price, if they have good earnings, or if they have any small amount of catalyst, this stock is going to rally massively because all of these short sellers are going to have to cover their positions, and it's going to lead to what's called a short squeeze. Now, short squeezes are massive because the stock price goes up initially, the short sellers try to recoup their positions, they're not able to, and the stock price jumps again even more because people are trying to get out of the position. They see that it is going in the opposite direction that they anticipated, and that just drives the price of the stock up even more. We can already see this happening right now. I bought these positions back on Friday of last week. I bought some contracts and some shares in anticipation for this run up, and the shares are up almost 10% just today. This is the start of the short squeeze. I don't think this is the finish. If we examine the technical chart, we see that this is in a prime position for this stock to break out and run up anywhere from 25 to 50% in the next coming days and weeks. This is why I love Bed Bath & Beyond for a very short-term swing trade, and I have bought options that expire in late January or early February. I believe mine were purchased for January the 19th, so we have some opportunities for after earnings for this stock to continue that short squeeze and get that run up, like I said, anywhere from 25 to 50%, which is going to be huge for shares and options. I love Bed Bath & Beyond, and let's watch this ride, my friends. All right, so the next stock that I got for you today is going to be FUBO TV, ticker symbol FUBO. Now, I like this stock because it is heavily oversold at the moment, and I think we're going to see a massive rally in the next coming days, and I think that it has already started today on the day that I'm recording this. FUBO is currently trading just under $30 at $27 a share. And I think this stock is going to be a buy anywhere in the low 30s to the high 20s, because I think that this stock is going to pretty easily jump back to $40 in the next coming days, next coming weeks. So what Fubo TV does is they are an alternative streaming platform for the major sports networks. They host basketball games, baseball games, soccer games, football games, anything you can imagine. They're an alternative to those big mainstream services. Hop on Fubo TV and you can get the latest broadcast. But I'm not interested in Fubo in the long term. I'm interested in the very short term. If you take a look, their short float is 39%, just under 40%, which once again, just like we saw, is absolutely massive. I think we could see a short squeeze coming up in the next coming days. Might have already began now. The stock was trading up big today. I got in this morning, and I think that this is still going to be a buy. Like I said, I could see the stock continuing to run up until we get into the 40s, and that would be where I would sell, anywhere in the high 30s to the 40s. I think that at that point it's a pretty fair valuation, and I like Fubo TV for a short-term swing. All right, everybody, and the last stock that I got for you today is going to be BurgerFi, ticker symbol BFI. This is a stock that I actually don't mind holding on for a little while, because I think that it is at a very undervalued price right now, and it is a lot of room to run. BFI is currently sitting at $14 a share, and I could see this going from anywhere to 20 to 30 in the short term, and its potential is pretty unlimited for the longer term. So for me, BurgerFi is going to be a play on the increase in veganism and the interest in vegan and meatless burgers in the United States. So BurgerFi is a burger chain comparable to the means of Five Guys, Shake Shack, places like that, sort of a higher end, more gourmet burger. Stop over at BurgerFi, check out a burger. And the reason I think they are revolutionizing the vegan, the meatless industry is because they have what's called the Beyond Burger, which is one of their highest selling products. And this is a completely meatless burger that the consumers absolutely love. We see a rise in trend of vegan interest in the United States. The numbers are absolutely unmatched, and it's crazy. If you look at the statistics for the people that are trying these meatless alternatives, we see that 95% of the people out there that are ordering these meatless meats are actually not vegan. These are people that are just trying it out. They're trying to get in this new space. They know that it's healthier. They're trying to make the better dietary choices for themselves, and they're trying these new burgers. And I think the popularity in 2021 for places like BurgerFi who offer this alternative are going to be unmatched. I think the growth is going to be incredible, and I could see a evaluation similar to where Shake Shack is right now, in the low 90s to mid 80s. I could see that anywhere from 1 to 2 years. If you hold on to this stock, I see great things. In the short term, I think great things as well, as our country moves more towards greener. We're moving towards meatless, and with the Biden administration, we can see more incentives, more tax breaks for companies like BurgerFi that offer greener alternatives, that offer meatless solutions, as our country, like I said, is shifting from a more meat-dominant diet to a meatless diet. Now, you might be thinking, why the heck are you telling me to invest in a vegan company? Are you some vegan soy boy or something? Absolutely not. I like my red meat. It's very good. But when I see an opportunity, I have to take it. And I love this opportunity that I see right now in BurgerFi. All right, everybody, thank you so much for checking out the video. Those are all my stock picks for the week. I see some crazy opportunities in these stocks, and I'm loving all this uncertainty. We're going to buy when people don't really know what's going on, and then we sell once they have the idea. That's how we're going to be making the most money, that boldness, baby. So if you enjoyed the video, leave it a like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what the heck you think about my stock picks for the week. And hey, man, let's get out there. We're going to have a green week, have some great things moving forward. Let's get out there. Let's go make some money.